This creek crossing is located right off of Paisley Road, and it marks the start to this section of Paisley trails that we really enjoyed. The sign here said something about having four-wheel drive being necessary for the following trails. Meh. Tonight's trail team consists of Gage, Jess, and Dave in the XJ, followed by Andy and family in the Wrangler behind them. After completing the sections in the Paisley area that we wanted to complete, well, we started with pretty low fuel to begin with, so we decided to take this, what we thought was a more direct route to a gas station, and well, we'll see what happens.
Dude, what a trail. I'm not disappointed.
Yeah, it's kind of exciting. We don't know what we're going to run into next. Kind of wish we were all sitting on a full tank of gas.
Yeah, what could possibly go wrong?
Where's this Italian place we're going to shoot out there?
It's in Paisley. We'll have to go there before we pick your car up.
We planned on eating dinner at Palermo's Pizza in Paisley, Florida. It is a fantastic little hidden gem of an Italian restaurant. Highly recommended.
Once we hit tarmac, it's not too far down the road either, so we'll probably air up in their parking lot.
There's gas near there?
There's a shady little gas station, yeah, but it's got fuel and it'll make our cars run.
Now this is trail riding, because you literally just made this damn trail on there to get to Paisley. And yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah, to be honest with you guys, I've never been down this trail. Because where we stopped to check the map, I've gone straight from there before. I've never taken that right.
And because it's dark, man, it's like we're driving in a damn cave of just trees.
Dude, for real.
Looking at you with your lights on, it's like you're just driving into a wall of trees. I mean, one good thing is no fuel lights come on, except for gauges.
Yeah, but his is not right. His is like, he's probably got like half a tank left still.
I'm showing a half a tank here too. Holy!
You see this? See this owl?
Hell yeah!
He flew in front of me and then looked back like, who the hell are you guys?
Is that an osprey or an owl?
That was an owl.
This might be a pass, but it's not the beaten path. Like, man, this is tight.
I'll give it a sec. As soon as you said that, my sides of the car were just like... This is the power line trail we're crossing. Why not?
We should be coming up with a mark.
We actually found some mud.
Talk about going full drive. I did it! Yay!
Jess, is that you driving?
I told you, dude. It's really nice. You let me drive.
Hey, good on him, buddy. Making a right onto a main road back to civilization. Woo woo!
I got a car.
Pulled over, waiting.
Alright, as soon as he passes, pull out.
Roger.